For pronouncement of judgment, item number 1. Read appeal dismissed.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Where's the cause list? What is all this? Cause list should be with you, not with me. Should not be done like this.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, hearing item number 25. Lordship, here the
Item?
25, Your Lordship.
Okay. Okay.
The leading counsel is from Gauhati, Lordship.
Okay.
However, he has some personal difficulties. So I pray the matter may be listed after the vacation of 4 weeks, Lordship.
Mr. Ajamir submits that. Who is the leading counsel?
Ardhar, Lordship.
Huh?
Ardhar. Rahul Dhar.
Mr. So-and-so? The counsel for the petitioner
Lordship.
is an outstation lawyer who is unable to give his presence in the court today and therefore seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship. May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention one unstated motion.
What is that urgency?
My lord, she has some serious health issue and she's in custody. She was admitted to ICU. Now she's been discharged from the ICU, but still her health condition is very weak and she's in judicial custody.
Have you served the copy to the government?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay.
Mr. Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item number 20.
Huh.
I have taken the concern of the, yes. Lordship, I pray that this matter may be listed after the vacation, Puja vacation.
Okay. But this is 2017.
Yes, Your Lordship, even this, the respondent number 1, the court has directed the petitioner appellant to publish in the newspaper whether notice has been served, but it seems that he died and no one can be traced. For that matter, it is dragging also, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have already taken steps on that also, Your Lordship.
Okay. MS. V. Sokri, Leonard Government Advocate, seeks adjournment of the case after 2 weeks. Stop. The same is not objected to by the Leonard Counsel for the other side. Listed accordingly.
Much
Okay.
obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes.
Lordship, I beg to mention hearing item 21 on behalf of my senior Cynthia Young, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, my senior has some personal difficulty, so kindly list the matter after 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Okay. Mr. So-and-so makes a mention on behalf of Mr. Cynthia Younger, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner, and seeks adjournment of the case after
3 weeks.
3
Your Lordship.
weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay.
Deputy of Lordship.
Please, Your Lordship.
Ah.
Lordship, I beg to mention item number 22 and 23, Lordship.
Ah,
Let it come up for hearing after Puja break, Lordship. The principal consolation disposed for respondent number
who is
2
the
and 3.
principal counsel?
Mr. Lucam for respondent number 2 and 3.
Respondent number
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
Lordship, I'm 41.
Yes, Mr. So-and-so. Leonard Counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr. N.K. Wickham, the Leonard Counsel for the respondent number 2 and 3, and seeks adjournment of the case for 2 weeks. Prayer is allowed, listed accordingly. Okay. Okay. Yes.
For motion, item number 1.
May please, Lordship.
Ah,
My lord, in this
Yes.
case,
Who is the prosecutor?
my lord, in this case,
Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the applicant. Mr. K. Angami, the learned public prosecutor shall obtain the up-to-date case diary and place it before the court on the next day.
it has been charged sheeted, my lord, in this case.
Okay, shall obtain the scanned copies of the case record. Listed for hearing on. Listed for consideration of the bail on. 24/10/2024.
My lord, if
Yes.
short date can be given.
No. Bail, okay. Yes, next.
Obliged, my lord.
For motion, item number 2.
My pleasure, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Subhamwati.
This contempt petition, Lordship, has been filed for non-compliance of this honorable court order 10/8/2023,
Which is that
Lordship.
order, page number?
Lordship, the court order is at page 17. The relevant page is page,
Just with page 17. Okay.
page 21 is the
Okay,
relevant
okay.
part.
Page 17.
Your Lordship,
Yes,
page 10, my apology, Lordship.
This is,
Page,
how this is IA?
Lordship, page 10, Your Lordship. That IA was filed by the state for
Okay,
extension of time.
Okay. Heard Mr. Subhamwati Walling, learned counsel for the petitioner. The present contempt petition has been filed, alleging willful disobedience of this court's order dated 10/8/2023, passed in WPC 338/2022. Issue notice to the respondents,
1 to 7.
returnable after 4 weeks. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the said respondents by registered post with AD within a period of
5 days, Lordship.
5 days from today. Okay.
Obliged.
For motion, item numbers 3 and 4.
IA, Mr. Subhamwati.
Lordship, yes. For implement of respondent 8, 9, 10, and 11 and 12, Your Lordship.
8,
9, 10, 11, and 12, Your Lordship.
just wait. This Senti Younger, Anup Kenchi,
Lordship.
Engineer PI Lima, Imna, this Swaraj Meru and Zed Akho
Lordship.
as respondents number.
8, 9, 10, 11, and 12.
Mr. Subhamwati Wali, the learned counsel for the applicant. The present application has been filed for impleading 1, see, ma'am, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, as the respondent number. Yes, Mr. Subhamwati.
8, 9, 10, 11, and
There's
12.
the respondent number 8, 9, 10,
11 and 12.
and 11 in the connected, IA number 157/2024. Sri 1 A, B, C, D, E, okay, are implemented as respondent number 8, 9, 10,
11 and 12.
11, and 12 in the present contempt petition. The learned counsel for the petitioner shall take steps for service of notice upon the newly implemented respondent by registered post with AD within a period of
5 days.
5 days from today.
Your Lordship, first, I'm able to file an amendment petition. After that, only I'm able to take steps, Your Lordship.
What? Oh,
Since IA has been disposed.
okay, good. in view, okay, cancel that order in view of the order passed in same, na, IA 157/2024. Yes, you are right. The petitioner shall file application amending the host title for impleadment of Mr. So and so as the respondent number
8 to 12.
10 to 12,
8 to 12.
8 to 12. Okay. Listed after?
4 weeks, Lordship.
Listed after 4 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
From the supplementary cost list for motion, item number 26.
Yes, what is this? Why has the state filed this? Item 26. Who has filed this?
I think my colleague, Mr. VG Mo, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner, listed after a week.
For motion, item numbers 27 and 28.
Yes, I am indisposed from taking up this case.
Lordship.
Okay,
Lordship.
I had handled this case when I was in the government,
Lordship.
listed before any other bench without me.
For admission, item number 5.
May I please, my lord?
Yes,
Lordship, in this contempt matter, I'm appearing for respondent number 1. Lordship, the matter relates to payment of minimum scale of pay, my lord. Now, your lordship is well aware that a committee has already been constituted,
no,
but
we will
no.
not accept that.
I,
Committee,
Yes,
perpetually that submission has been made.
correct,
And this
correct,
court is also fed up
correct,
with that
Correct, ma'am.
submission. File your affidavit. We'll list it for hearing.
lordship.
If it is for a minimum scale of pay, if the petitioner is satisfies this court,
Lordship,
we
lordship.
pass necessary orders. Not the committee. The committee is sitting over the matter.
Correct,
Government has constituted the committee. Committee is sitting over the matter.
Correct, correct.
Every time such matters are listed, a submission has been made that a committee has been constituted. Nothing from the
Yes.
committee. We have earlier occasion also, we have told some of our government advocates to bring this matter to notice of the government.
Correct, correct, my
That the
lord.
committee cannot sit over the matter forever.
Correct, my lord.
So we'll
correct.
we'll start disposing on the basis of the judgment passed by the Supreme Court, if provided the petitioner satisfies this court
Correct,
on the other issues.
lordship, lordship.
So when do we give you time? And this is 2022. This is contempt.
This is contempt. ma'am.
So there is an order.
Yes.
So that committee is immaterial again in this case.
Lordship, then some time can be granted so that the respondents can file an affidavit to that effect, my lord.
Okay,
Or your lordship, if can we receive the necessary instruction and then on the basis of that instruction, your lordship, because the other respondents 2, 3, and 4, lordship, are represented by V. Shokri and lordship,
2, 3, 4.
yes,
So Lordship here, I pray that
Madam, please tell the government that the
Yes,
court is no
exactly.
more considering
Exactly,
the
Lordship.
committee.
So I will convey that message
Yes.
to government, your lordship, so. at least,
So we give you last chance to file affidavit. We give you
just
sufficient time, but
give-
file it.
For instruction, your lordship,
No. 2022,
then 4 weeks.
we'll give
from-
you sufficient time. 4 weeks' time we give you. Okay, you file your affidavit on the basis of your affidavit, we dispose this contempt. Mr. Anangami, the Leonard Senior Government Advocate for the respondent number 1, MSV Sokre, Leonard Additional AG, Nagaland for the respondent number 2,
2, 3, and 4.
2, 3, and 4.
Yes.
This contempt petition has been filed in the year 2022 for non-compliance of the order dated
Is more.
25/11/2021 passed by this court in WPC 80/2022. Stop, considering that this petition is of the year 2022, a last chance is given to the Leonard.
Lordship, respondent number 3, 4, and 5 have already retired, lordship. 3, 4, and 5. So I will be filing on behalf of respondent number 2, affidavit on 2.
2.
Yes,
So 3, 4, and 5, okay.
yes.
But you are appearing
Yes,
on
I'm
behalf of, yes,
appearing, I'm
okay,
appearing.
okay. So what was the last line, man? Okay, same. A last chance is given to the Leonard Additional AG to file the affidavit. Stop. Listed after 4 weeks. It is made clear that if no affidavit is filed, this court shall consider issuing notice for contempt to the said respondents. Okay.
Much better.
Obligement.
For admission, item number 6 and 7.
I have instruction that to file this affidavit in opposition on behalf of respondent number 2, which will be filed during the course of the day, lordship.
Who is for 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7?
Your Lordship,
You are there.
I'm for the respondent number 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7, Lord.
Okay. What is this IA for?
I is for condemnation
Oh.
of the lien for 203 days, Lordship. Lordship, I may be given 3 weeks' time to find my affidavit in opposition, Lordship.
Return objection.
Against which order this revision is filed?
I guess the judgment passed by the civil judge general division pack, Lordship,
Civil
14/12/2022.
Okay. Who has filed this appeal? A revision? Who has filed the revision?
The appellant, Lordship,
Villa Hall.
Lordship,
Villa Hall. Was Villa Hall?
Villa Hall, Zehol, and number 2 is Lupeka Tasso, Lordship.
Okay, before you file your affidavit in opposition, what about this IA?
Lordship, not affidavit, I apologize, lordship. It is written objection to the IA, lordship.
Have you filed?
I'll be filing during the course of the day, lordship.
Okay, and are you filing?
No, Lordship.
You are generous.
Lordship, I may be given 3 weeks' time, Lordship.
For
filing of my written
Objection.
Yes, Lordship.
But 3 weeks for this small application. You are for respondent number
Two, Lordship.
2. Okay. Mr. So-and-so, the learned counsel for the respondent number 2 submits that affidavit, the written objection on behalf of the said respondent will be filed in the course of the day. Your good name, Mr.
V. Kosa, Lordship.
So-and-so, learned counsel for the respondent number 1, 4, 5, 6, and 7.
Lordship.
6 for a week's time to file written objection. Prayer is allowed, listed after a week.
Much obliged.
For admission, item number 8.
Please, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, I'm mentioning on behalf of additional AG in Team Song, Lordship.
Ah.
Now he's on court number 1. Lordship, I've been instructed that he is yet to receive instruction, Lordship. So if Lordship may please grant another 2 weeks time.
My lord, I'm appearing for the petitioner.
Okay, we give 2 weeks time to the petitioner. Weeks.
My lord, even in the last occasion, the liberty, the opportunity has been granted, last opportunity, my lord, in last occasion.
In such time, Lordship, the state respondent is yet to receive.
My lord, this is the 6th time the matter has been listed after.
Mr. K. Loikung, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. V. Jimomi on behalf of Mr. Imtimsu, the learned additional AG. Send the order dated 29/8/2024 by which the learned additional AG was granted last chance to obtain necessary instructions. Stop. Today, when the matter is listed, it is submitted that the necessary instructions has not been received. In the interest of justice, last 4 weeks' time is granted to the learned additional AG to receive instructions and to file the affidavit if so advised. It is made clear that no further adjournment shall be granted. And if no affidavit is filed, the case shall proceed on the basis of materials available on record. Okay.
For admission, item number 9.
Please, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, by filing this instant petition, I'm challenging the impleadment order dated 6/8/2024 passed by the learned special judge NDPS Dimapur, denying to release the vehicle Maruti Silero VXI on.
Yes,
Kohima.
Mr. Vijimomi, where is your instruction?
Lordship, I'm yet to receive instruction, Lordship, and 2 weeks time.
My lord, the petitioner was arrested on 25/9/2023 along with his vehicle. Until that, the vehicle has been kept in the custody for 360 days. Till that, it's been 360 days.
Heard, Mr. So-and-so. Learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr. Vijamomi, the learned PP for the state respondents. The present application has been filed under section 397, read with section 401 of the Code of Criminal Procedure 1973, praying for release of the seized vehicle. It is submitted by the learned counsel for the petitioner that the seized vehicle is in the custody of the police for the last 349 days. By the order dated, by the order dated 19/9/2024, the learned public prosecutor was directed to obtain necessary instructions. Today, when the matter is listed, Mr. Vijamomi, the learned PP submits that no instruction has been received as of date. List the case again after 2 weeks. It is made clear that if no instructions are placed by the learned prosecutor on the next date fixed, the application shall be heard on the basis of materials available on record. Okay.
For admission, item number 10.
Lordship, this instant petition is filed for quashing and setting aside of the FIR.
Then,
Lordship. However, Lordship, this morning we have filed one cancellation criminal petition, which is item number 26, Lordship. We have preferred cancel.
where is that? Where have you filed that?
This morning at motion, Lordship.
Where's this one?
Lordship, I was in court number 1, Lordship. So,
We have listed after a week.
uh,
We list this case after a week also.
Lordship.
Okay. What is that? Okay,
Lordship, that item
this is 26.
26, Lordship. Item
Connected
26, Lordship.
List the present case along with criminal petition 45/2024.
I pray for a date, Lordship.
IE is for cancellation of bail.
And this,
This is criminal petition.
This is a criminal.
This is for quashing the
For quashing the FIR.
where is that IA?
Supplementary.
Supplementary
Item
item
number
26,
26.
Lordship. Criminal petition, Lordship. For cancellation of bail, Lordship.
Because the
IA. Where is that IA?
Not IA, it's a criminal petition, item 26.
Yeah.
It was listed in the motion supplementary list, Lordship. So if
IA,
it's not IA, Lordship. It's a criminal petition, item 26.
where is that?
It was listed in the motion, Lordship, but I missed that motion matter, Lordship. The status-
Motion is item 45, criminal 45.
Lordship. Criminal 45.
You are not
Item
aware of
26.
your case. Listed, yes, after a week. Okay.
May I pray for a date in this matter, Lordship, in this criminal petition, this present case? Can it be on 7th of October, Lordship?
Lordship.
Seven is holiday. On 15/10/2024. Okay.
Lordship.
Lordship, the petitioner have filed the affidavit and reply this morning.
We will be filing, Lordship.
I've received a copy this morning, Lordship, and platings are completed.
No.
So maybe the minimum fixed for admission hearing.
Yes. Okay. As per the order. Okay. Yes. Next.
For orders, item number 11.
Yes.
Morning.
Yes. Your Lordship, I represent the respondent number 9 and 10.
Who has filed the affidavit? Any affidavit filed?
Not yet, Lordship.
What is this? For initiating contempt. I think all this 1, 2, 3, all this are no more holding the post.
Lordship. Now, as of now, respondent,
4, not holding the post.
Lordship. 5, 8, 9, and 10 are the relevant respondents now, as of now.
5,
8, 9, and 10. And then respondent 5, I have taken steps on 13/8/2024. That is as per the order of the last occasion, Your Lordship.
there's 10 also is there.
Lordship.
10, I think, 10 also, I think, new incumbent is there.
Your Lordship, the
Yes.
respondent, then it was
10 is new incumbent
10 also new incumbent.
in place of 7, respondent number 7.
Your main grievance is against
respondent 5, and then 9 and 10.
10 is out.
No, Lordship, 10 was recently implemented, Your Lordship.
No. This engineer Wabang Mern,
Yeah.
Lordship.
he's no more holding the post.
Your Lordship, for that, I'll take instruction, and if needed, I may file I can.
Just check the parties properly.
Lordship.
Mr. MT, you are appearing for
9 and 10.
9 and 10.
Your Lordship,
So
respondent number 9, number 10, he succeeded respondent number 7, Your Lordship. 10, yes.
and now 10 is succeeded by some other.
No, 10 is still existing. 10. Actually.
Engineer in chief.
Engineer in chief,
We have 2, 3 engineer in chief.
No, in power department, we
No.
have only one, Your Lordship.
only one. So.
No,
earlier-
engineer in chief, just
Yes.
engineer in chief.
Yes,
How many engineer in chief?
1,
Chief engineer, that okay. But how
Yes.
many engineer in chief
only 1.
in Nagaland?
No, in power department.
Oh, so
It-
PWD also has an
Yeah, they
engineer
have
in
their own-
chief.
Yes.
Okay.
So earlier it was respondent number 7.
So
So now it is succeeded by the number 10,
okay. So you are appearing for 9 and 10.
9 and 10.
Okay. What about the others?
Lordship, respondent 8 and then respondent 5, I've taken steps, Your Lordship, but then they are yet to appear, Lordship.
8,
And 5.
8 and 12.
Notice awaited, Lordship, till now.
This thing, receive letter number so and so. What is that letter? Okay, take fresh steps.
Upon 5 and 8, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship.
After that, we issue notice, because actually there is a letter from the senior research officer.
Lordship.
Say, Mr. MT,
Lordship.
kindly go through this letter and advise the government. Yes. You should come sit somewhere this side. Just see this in no, just or additionally. In contempt cases, I think this kind of letter, because it is in person. Same,
Yes.
correct. So since it is in person, I think that person concerned has to take steps, not writing letter in this.
Yes.
Okay. You bring it to the notice that if it is a contempt, you engage somebody to represent you,
Lordship.
not in the form of official communication between this branch and that branch. Okay. Okay. Mr. Subhamwati Walling, the learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5 and 8 by registered post with AD within a period of
5 days, Lordship.
5 days from today. Mr. Imti Imsum, the learned counsel, the learned additional AG appears for the respondent number 9 and 10
Okay.
and 6 for some time to receive instructions. Listed after 4 weeks. Okay.
Obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 12.
Lordship.
Yes, ma'am.
Here I've already filed my affidavit, and if
Ma'am,
we-
you are for?
I'm for respondent number 1
Just
through 3 and 4.
1,
No former.
just wait.
New. I'm for 1 to 3, your lordship.
1, 2, 3.
No, new in totality.
You are not for, ma'am, whether amended, you are amended petition, nah? This is an amended petition.
Okay, lordship.
Just
Yes. 1, 2, and 3.
1, 2, and 3, correct?
Yes.
Okay. You file a.
I filed an affidavit on behalf of respondent 1.
1.
Yes.
Okay.
So lordship, if we look at the court order which is under contempt, that is contempt, it's a page 25 of the petition,
Page,
25 of the
Yes.
contempt petition.
amended petition, ma'am?
Yes.
Page
The last paragraph, your lordship,
25.
yes. In view of the, yes, last paragraph. In view of the aforesaid, the writ petition stand disposed of with a direction to the respondent to consider regularization of the petitioner's service within a period of 1 month from the date of the receipt of a copy of this order. So there was a direction to consider.
Where is
Perfect.
your affidavit?
So we have considered and
Your affidavit is? Your affidavit is, ma'am, dated?
dated 26,
Yes.
13.
YV Angami. Oh, no. Kesuno.
Yes.
Kesuno.
Yes, Kesona. Yes. So your lordship, here in my affidavit, we have stated that the PNR has given its clearance, even the concurrence of the finance has given, and her name has been forwarded to the Manpower Rationalization Committee. And after the Manpower Rationalization Committee has given its recommendation, it will be placed before the cabinet. So it is under process, your lordship.
Let us see the letters
The letter,
on which you are relying.
lordship,
Your
page
annexure.
6, page 6.
Just wait. Page 6.
Yes, PNR Organization and Method Branch. The matter has been examined and we convey clearance for creation of 43 posts of various categories of various grades for facilitating the regularization of 43 ward charge employees who had completed 30 years or more continuous service under Works and Housing Department. The petitioner name appeared at serial number 18. Yes, so 7, this is the concurrence clearance given with the condition that concurrence of the Finance Department, recommendation of the Manpower Rationalization Committee, approval of the Cabinet. Then thereafter, page 8, this is the Finance Department.
Yes.
The Finance Department has examined the matter and agrees to the proposal of the Works and Housing Department for creation of 43 posts to accommodate those for charge employees who have completed 30 years in service as on 1/1/15 as per the details below. Petitioner name appear as serial number 18. Yes. So even here also, it has given the concurrence was given with the condition that recommendation of the Manpower Rationalization Committee and thereafter approval of the Cabinet. Page 9, the last column.
Page 9.
Yes, the last. This concurrence is subject to the following conditions. Recommendation of the Manpower Rationalization Committee, 2, approval of the Cabinet, and number 3, the post shall be abolished as and when the incumbent vacate the same. Then thereafter, page 10, on 16 November, we have forwarded proposal for regularization of ward charge employees under NPWT in phase 2, 3, 4, and 5 who have completed 30 years of service and above. So we give in phase-wise manner, Lordship. Then thereafter by 11th.
This letter 16 November.
Yes, 2023. I'm directed to refer to your letter number such and such on the subject cited above and to request you to furnish the second report in respect of the directive of MRC meeting minutes dated 29/8/2022, in which the department has been directed to first accommodate the proposed ward charge employees against 50% of the vacancies in the department, and then resubmit those who could not be accommodated for regularization against supernumerary posts. Action taken report along with the seniority list of the ward charge employees under.
So the petitioner is also included.
Yes, in the resubmission. Then thereafter, page 11.
Resubmit.
By 15 March 2024. Again, the government has written to the ENC for resubmission of regularization of ward charge in the 5th phase. I'm directed to refer to this department earlier letter of even number dated on subject cited above, and to state that the requisite action taken report sought in respect of the directive of MRC meeting minutes dated 29/8/22, in which the department has been directed to first accommodate the proposed.
So ma'am, is my understanding correct?
Yes.
MRC has submitted report.
They have submitted the report stating that firstly the
50%.
50% should be accommodated first, then only
50% of the employees who are serving.
Yes. So they should be accommodated first in the vacancy, and only after that they will be accommodated against the supernumerary post. So we have given our reply, that is at page 12, 21 May 2024. We have given to the government. Regarding proposal for regularization of ward charge employees who have completed 30 years of service and above under R&B and housing. Sir, with reference to the subject cited above, I have the honor to highlight some point for review with regard to the submission of regularization of ward charge employees who have completed 30 years of service and above. It may be stated that 317 numbers of application for regularization were forwarded to the government in different phases. The date of completion of the senior most ward charge staff who have completed 30 years is 21/8/2011, and the date of completion for the junior most ward charge staff is 3/4/2022. Copy of seniority list in different phase enclosed for ready reference. In this connection, as per the directive of the MRC meeting minutes dated 29/8/2022, to accommodate the proposed for-charge employees to regularize against 50% of the vacancies in the department. It may be stated that 194 for-charge employees from amongst the proposals submitted for regularization has gone on retirement. As such, the retired employees as well as the serving senior-most employees cannot be regularized in retrospective against the vacancy arising for this calendar year. Therefore, to implement the direction of the MRC to regularize against a 50% is not practically feasible. Hence, the government is requested to kindly examine and give further direction on this matter. So, Your Lordship, again, this petitioner name will be put up to the MRC, Your Lordship. Because every 1st July and every 1st January in a year only, we propose. So later or sooner, Your Lordship, the service of the petitioner will be regularized.
No, suppose if the petitioner is retired,
Yes.
Yes,
then here you are saying, since they are retired, their case cannot be taken up for
Yes,
consideration.
Lordship.
no, no.
This is the problem here.
The MRC is stating that 50%, firstly, they should occupy the 50% vacancy, not
Yes.
against the supernumerary post. Whereas we have created the supernumerary post. So she will be, if she could not be accommodated in the 50% vacancy, she could be accommodated in the supernumerary post. Lordship.
So give affidavit on that. We'll dispose on that.
Uh,
You give a affidavit
Lordship.
on your submission, that submission.
Lordship.
Because to this extent,
Yes,
I think there is a substantial complaint.
yes.
But we will,
Okay,
let
Lordship.
us be very sure
Okay, Lordship,
that she will be accommodated in the supernumerary post.
Lordship.
Okay?
Yes,
You
yes.
file affidavit.
Okay. Then your Lordship, in this, 4 weeks may be given to me.
Why 4 weeks, man? Affidavit. We give you 3 weeks.
Okay, Lordship.
Okay.
Yes.
So can we like put it in the order to file affidavit that the petitioner will be accommodated in the supernumerary post?
For that one to Lordship, I need to,
Okay,
but
okay.
if we read this one, it should
Yes,
be.
so
But
you,
to file an affidavit, but for,
let us get a clear picture.
yes, I will. Yes.
MS V. Sokri, Learned Additional AG. For the respondent number,
1, 2, and 3, Lordship.
for 1, 2, and 3,
Mm.
is allowed further 3 weeks time. Is allowed, not further, is allowed 3 weeks time to file additional affidavit, bringing on record the up-to-date status of the case. Okay,
Okay.
Mr. Are you also there?
Lordship, RFR respondent number 4. Please.
Mr. Kiangami, Learned Senior Government Advocate, appears for the respondent number.
Please, retired from the service now.
Okay, but you are still there. You are alive.
Much obliged.
For orders, item number 13.
Lordship, here, I'm appearing for respondent number 1, 3, and 4.
Yes, wait,
And
ma'am.
all of them have retired.
Oh,
And I still have not received instruction from the other newly impleaded. So, Lordship,
just wait, okay, just wait. You are appearing for respondent number,
for all the respondents.
all the respondents,
1, 2, and 3. 1, 2.
1, 2, and 3.
Yes,
And one is still there,
retired, Lordship.
one retired.
Yes.
What about
One,
2?
two, Lordship, 2 is there. I'm appealing for 2.
2 is still holding this,
yes, 2 is still holding, yes. Then 3 and 4, Lordship.
3 and 4 retired.
Yes, 1, 3, and 4 retired.
Will it be necessary to implead the new incumbents?
Yes, Lordship, yes, because it's the PNR,
Okay,
the Works and Housing Department, the engineer.
PNR.
Yes, so
Mr. I think you will
Lordship,
have-
I've filed an I and then this honorable was allowed and then on 28, 8, 2024,
28,
8, 2024,
28, 8,
2024, I filed the
just
amended petition as well as,
28, 8, 2024,
yes.
20.
On 27, the IA was disposed, Lordship. And then on the next day, I taken the steps to the respondents, the newly implemented 5, 6, and 7.
Where Nothing is recorded here, that's why. So 5, 6, and 7.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh, amended petition.
Lordship.
Madam, have you received amended petition?
No.
You have
Yet
not,
to.
sir.
Yes, I will serve in the course of the day.
So how will the learned AG know?
Six and seven.
Have you received the copy?
Yes, just now, Lordship.
Okay, the requisite copies
For,
for all the respondents? Or not
I think he
necessary?
has taken the step. He has taken the step.
Yes, Lordship.
Oh.
No,
This is-
unless I
Oh, yes,
get
yes.
instruction, I cannot.
So 5, 6, and 7.
Lordship.
You have taken steps for service of notice?
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. So when have you taken steps?
On 28th of August 2024, Lordship.
This week, this week. $27.8. Hey, madam, you can you see this? You also advise the government? Because somewhere, I think somewhere between the petition may also, notice may also get misplaced. Contempt means to the, directly to the officer responsible, huh?
Yes,
But
yes,
here
yes,
actually,
yes.
they are
They have
actually,
addressed to them.
they
Yes.
are taking steps.
Yes, we have been informing to them also, but. no
Yes,
notice.
kindly tell them
Lordship.
that whenever contempt it is direct,
Yes, yes.
you take fresh steps, okay?
Lordship.
Upon respondent number
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7, okay?
Or maybe, Lordship, I think the matter may become after 2 weeks, Lordship, when the notices are with. Since I've taken steps recently only, that is on 28th of August.
28th of August, but they have received, office has received.
Lord,
The office has received,
Yes.
but actually like some process is followed, which is not known to contempt
Okay.
proceedings. So
Yes,
you take
Lordship,
fresh
I'll
steps,
take
correct?
steps, Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Supplementary, Quashing, learned counsel for the petitioner shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number
5, 6, and 7.
5, 6, and 7 by registered post with AD within a period of
5 days. Lordship.
5 days from today. MS V. Sokre, learned additional AG appears for the respondent number
1,
1,
2,
2, and
3,
1, 2, 3,
and 4.
and 4. Okay. Listed after 3 weeks.
Lordship.
Yes.
For orders, item number 14.
Made with your lordship. This is otherwise a pending contempt matter. Last occasion, we had implemented the respondent number 4, Deputy Commissioner Feck.
Yes.
My learned friend, I think, is appearing for him today. It's regarding compensation pani. Substantial amounts have been cleared, but then still 100% compliance is yet to be done. I think he's appearing for respondent number 4.
Who is it? Mr.
May it please your lordship.
Yes.
The compensations granted sanctioned by the Union of India is 60 crore 94 lakhs 36,685.4,
Yes.
out of which 53 crores 10 lakhs 64,563.30 paise have been cleared.
already claimed by the beneficiaries. Now remaining 7 crore 83 lakhs 72,000.
Where is your affidavit stating all this?
My-
Have you filed your affidavit?
I'm signing power only today
Okay,
because by honorable court's order.
you are for which respondent?
For
Four,
R
respondent number
four,
four.
Deputy Commissioner.
Deputy
So
Commissioner,
you are making your submission without power.
power is
have
there,
just
affidavit is not
received-
there.
Okay.
Instruction today.
You are for which respondent?
Respondent number four.
Four. Respondent number, what about all this,
The only issue now pending is with the respondent number four only, because he is,
respondent number four, where is respondent number four?
By order dated 30th August 2024.
he was
The
impleaded.
Deputy Commissioner
30th
was
August,
completed.
just wait. 30th
I think the
August.
cause title has been.
Just wait. 30th August,
Yes, my lord.
30th August, 2024.
Yes, my lord.
The Deputy Commissioner. Okay.
Who will ensure that?
So when can you file your affidavit?
Within 3 weeks' time, my lord.
3 weeks' time.
Yes, my lord.
Mr. L.T. Sanctum, learned additional AG, on behalf of the respondent number, on behalf of the newly implemented respondent number
Four.
4, is allowed 4 weeks' time to file affidavit. Yes, are you appearing?
Yes, Your Lordship, for respondent number 2.
Mr. N. Angami, learned senior government advocate, appears for the respondent number 2. The man is a DC.
Yes,
Yes,
my lord.
ma'am.
Okay, listed accordingly. Okay.
We'll also can kindly have it on 4th of November, after 4 weeks. 4th of November, last.
Okay.
Oblige,
Okay.
oblige, Your Lordship.
Listed after 4 weeks on 4th, 11, on 4.
That's a Monday also,
My lord, I have pre-engagement
on
on
4th,
4th. Yes, my lord.
when,
So that may be on Thursday.
Thursday is holiday, I think. What, November 7 is.
On 4, on 6th,
Yes,
on 4, 5, 6, on 7th. 7th,
yes, my lord.
okay,
Yes, my lord.
on 7, 11, 2024. Okay.
Oblige, Your Lordship.
For orders, item number 15.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, here I'm appearing for respondent number 1, 2, and 3.
Just wait, ma'am. 1, 2, and 3.
Yes.
One, two, and 3.
Yes.
Okay, okay.
So respondent number 1 has been transferred and 2 and 4 has already retired.
23.
2 and 3.
Yes, 2 and 3 has already retired. So, Lordship, I have no instruction from the new.
So implead.
Lordship,
Yes.
respondent, in place of respondent 2 and 3, I filed in IN and it's been implemented, your lordship.
Was that?
Lordship.
Why actually these parties are not brought to the in the Madam, can you tell who is in charge of the registry? Just tell them to go through the others and then tell them to implead the parties in the petition. In almost all the contempt petition, I am not seeing newly implemented parties being mentioned. By which order?
27/8/2024.
Impleadment, in view of the order passed today, a prayer for impleadment has been allowed. Have you filed the amended cause title?
Lordship, I filed and then I've taken steps.
Where is your amended cause title? It is not there on record.
Lordship, I filed on 28th of August 2024, the amended petition.
Amended. Oh. Okay, okay.
You can, can you please? Wait. Not yes.
Nothing is mentioned. 4-5,
Lordship,
4-5.
Lordship.
Madam, you are appearing for?
1, 2, and 3.
Okay. Mr. Supplementary, Walling, learned counsel for the petitioner. And MSB Sokre, learned additional AG for the respondent number 1, 2, and 3. Stop. Office note dated 38/20/24 shows that return service report in respect of respondent number 4 and 5 awaited, listed after 3 weeks.
Much obliged.
Bless you.
For orders, item number 16.
On the last occasion, I have placed the letter
Item number? This is
16.
16.
Yes. I've placed the letter before this honorable court on the last occasion that the less drawn areas of the petitioner has been forwarded to the treasury and accounts for payment. And I sought time to obtain instruction, but despite of me calling over all the officers, your lordship, I could not connect it to them. So lordship, I pray that 3 weeks time may be granted so that I will apprise this court about
Okay,
the payment.
MSV Sokre, the learned additional advocate general for the respondent number. Respondent number.
Correspondent number
2 to 8.
Huh?
2 to 8.
2 to 8, your lordship.
2 to 8
Yes.
is allowed 3 weeks time.
No,
To-
no, yes, yes.
Is allowed
Mm.
3 weeks time to place the up-to-date status report of the case.
Okay. Much obliged.
For orders, item number 17.
Lordship, here, the deputy commissioner has filed a review application before this honorable court. That is
Okay.
review petition number 3 of 2024.
3 of 2024
Yes.
for reviewing which order, ma'am?
For reviewing of
This WPC
Yes.
70
yes,
for
70
reviewing of the order dated 25/7.
2023, yes.
Is that?
Yes, yes, because lordship, when this order was passed, Chumukedima district was already created. So in this
Oh,
order, a direction was given to the DC, which he does not have the
correct,
jurisdiction.
correct.
So,
Okay,
lordship, yes.
okay.
So I pray that the matter
Yes,
may be
you're
lifted up.
for respondent number.
The sole respondent,
Okay. MSV Sokre, the learned counsel for the sole respondent submits that a review petition has review petition 3/2024 has been filed by the government, by the state,
by the deputy commissioner,
by
the
by the respondent hearing to review the order dated 25/7/2023 passed by this court in WPC 70/2019. And the matter is pending disposal. Stop. In view of the submissions made by the learned additional AG, list the keys after the disposal of review petition 3/2024. Okay, we
Much
wait for
obliged.
that.
For orders, item number 18.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, here I am appearing on behalf of the leading counsel for the petitioner, Pakin Chabo.
okay.
Lordship, here, the counsel for the petitioner is yet to take steps upon the respondent number 2 and 3 of the amended petition, your lordship.
2 and 3.
Yes, lordship. So if 1 week may be granted, your lordship, to take steps.
Mr. Your good name?
Metovero on behalf of Pakin
Mr.
Chabo.
Fenso. Learned counsel makes a mention on behalf of Mr.
Pakin Chabo.
so and so, learned counsel for the petitioner,
Lordship.
and submits that the steps upon the respondent number 2 and 3, as ordered by this court on 13/8/2024, is yet to be taken. Stop. The petitioner shall accordingly take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 2 and 3 by registered post with AD, by registered post with AD within a period of 7 days from today, listed after 4 weeks.
Much obliged, Lordship.
For orders, item number 19.
Your Lordship, here,
Yes.
I've taken upon the steps upon respondent 1 to 3 on 21st of August 2024, Your Lordship.
Respondent number
1 to 3.
1, 2, and 3.
That's Lordship.
Let us await,
Lordship.
because office note shows that a service report is awaited, okay?
Lordship.
Heard Mr. Subhamati Wali, learned counsel for the petitioner. You're also the same. Oh. Instead of Mr. Angami, you are the officer who has very close proximity to the chief secretary.
Lordship, Lordship.
Kindly tell that in contempt matters,
Co-
don't tell the office to pass letters,
Lordship, Lordship,
okay?
Lordship.
Tell that actually the contempt petition notice upon in contempt petition is served on the contemner officer.
Correct, correct. my lord.
So the office cannot write to the registry saying that actually by writing this letter, we have informed this and that officer. No.
Correct, correct, my lord.
You- In contempt,
Yes,
tell them to appoint somebody to represent the contemner.
correct, my
Not
lord.
in this
correct.
manner, okay?
Yes, my lord. Yes,
Please.
I will
You
inform.
take fresh steps, okay? So you please inform.
Lordship, Lordship.
You are the person who has the most close proximity with the chief secretary, Nagaland. So,
Lordship, I will inform accordingly, my lord.
yes,
Patient.
this is respondent number. All the respondents,
Lordship.
Mr. Subhamati Wali, the learned counsel for the petitioner, shall take fresh steps for service of notice upon respondent number 1, 2, and 3 by registered post with AD within a period of
5 days.
5 days from today, and file affidavit to that effect, listed after 3 weeks. Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
For unlisted motion, bail application 19 of 2024.
May I please, your lordship? My lord, the accused person,
she's a lady.
yes, lordship. She was admitted to ICU on 14/9/2024, which was due to seizure disorder and breathing problem, which was also certified by the jail authority and forwarded to the principal district special judge. However, without considering the actual facts, by order dated 19/9/2024, rejected this bail application. So, being aggrieved, I'm here before this honorable court. My lord, her medical record is at page 15 in XRD.
Mr. Kiangami, have you gone through this petition?
Lordship, yes.
Yes.
Lordship, I need to obtain instruction, Lordship.
My lord, she was discharged on 29 of 24 of this month, but she's still very weak. And she needs a proper medical attention. And since there's no requisite medical facilities inside the jail premises, as well as proper diet, and there's no healthy environment inside the jail premises, so
Yes, before the principal district and session judge, you have not submitted any medical report showing that you were sick.
my lord, only after the discharge of the patient. All the
Where
medical,
is the medical report? Let us see.
it's on page 15, annexure D, lordship.
Page 15.
Annexure D, lordship.
This is 14.9. She's undergoing treatment at Naga Hospital.
My lord, now she's been discharged on 29, 2024. But her condition is still very weak. And since there is no
She has been discharged when?
29, 2024.
29, 9.
No, 2009, 2024.
So what is the latest medical report after 18 September? You see your letter dated, your application dated to page 23.
Lordship, this is the last
Yes.
status that I've obtained.
Where is that information?
Lordship, if CD may be called, my lord, about her health status at this stage, my lord. Since this is the latest I've obtained from the.
Why should the court call? You bring, you produce.
Lordship, if we look at the medical report, discharge slip, page 16, Lordship.
Page
16.
16.
Lordship. Diagnosis is seizure disorder, and I think she's supposed to be under a regular medication, which probably she has not used. And at the time of it says that last sentence, patient stable at the time of discharge, Lordship.
You're reading page 16.
Yeah, page 16, Lord.
Page 16 is discharge slip.
Yes, Lordship. Here, there's no.
Patient so and so, and not patient discharge, stable at the time of discharge.
Yes, Lordship.
This is when?
This is on 29.
29.
After that letter, my lord has just referred.
29. Then this letter was before 18 September 18/9.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
So the application,
the health conditions of applicants are well attended to, I think.
When were you arrested?
On 12/8/2024, my lord. My lord, nothing was recovered from her possession, my lord, at the time of her arrest.
Is it
Only the-
calculated?
No, lordship.
Not yet,
And Mr. So-and-so? Learned counsel for the applicant. And Mr. Kiangami? Learned PP for the state respondents. This application has been filed under section 480, read with section 483 of BNSS Act 2023, seeking for release of the accused person on bail. The learned special judge, NDPS, earlier by the order dated 19/9/2024, had rejected the bail application submitted by the petitioner. Mr. Nisaka, your Nisaka Chishi,
Yes,
the
sir.
learned counsel for the applicant, submits that the accused person is a sick person requiring further medical attention and treatment. Stop. This court has perused the medical documents issued by the Naga Hospital Authority, Kohima. Stop. Where is she detained?
Kohima District Jail, lordship.
Mr. Kiangami, do you have a superintendent of jail in District Jail, Kohima? Or you have only this deputy superintendent of jail?
that I have to ascertain, lordship.
Okay. Mr. Kiangami, Leonard PP. Shall produce the scanned copy of the case diary on the next date fixed. The stub superintendent / deputy superintendent of jail, District Jail, Kohima, shall attend to the accused and shall allow the accused to avail proper medical treatment. If so advised, if so advised, under proper security, okay?
Lordship.
Yes, under proper security.
Lordship.
Listed after
It's 1 week, lordship.
2 weeks. Okay.
For hearing, item number 24.
Yes,
Please, your lordship.
what is the other side?
No idea, lordship.
Mr. V. Debnat appears for the appellant. None appears for the respondent. Listed after 2 weeks. Okay. Yes.
Apply.
Next. That's over.